It is a subject that I had felt a little bit sensitive towards, but I feel that I have the solution. My things. Yes, we know when we are writing we have BE, but it still is B. So it tells us hey, right here is that to be lack. Right here is be lack. And that is the language. This is what we have been locked in, and we have not given much thought to it. So we know that the things we expose ourselves to constantly, whether subliminally or whether consciously, we are harnessing on that vibration. And especially if we are not conscious of it, but it's always around in our peripheral vision, or we always hearing it, it is in our makeup. Other people address us in that very same manner. Other people refer to us as such. We too refer ourselves because that's what we identify ourselves with. We say we are black. I have for a number of years seen right on this, I am black. Whoa, how do you see? And this is the thing as well. They changed it over time. How would you describe yourself? What would you describe yourself? So then it has taken, they have handed back after the conditioning has happened. It has been handed back to you to, I don't want my pen drying because I'm chatting. It has been handed back to you as making believe that you have the choice now to describe yourself as such. Those are the things that have got me thinking over time. How am I really seeing myself? Or if I don't see myself as black, well, how do I actually see myself? Brown? And so would, but it's all filled out on the form already, which is indicated another psychological conditioning which you have to take. At the end, you may see other, which again gives you another psychological condition that you are not really part of the human race.